Ohio, the Buckeye State, a land of rivers, rolling hills, and industrial might. Known for its presidents, its music, and even its roller coasters. Ohio is more than just a state in the Midwest. It's a crossroads of America. Quick facts. Located in the Midwestern region, Ohio is home to nearly 11.9 million people, making it one of the most populous states. Its capital and largest city is Columbus. But Ohio also boasts major hubs like Cleveland, Cincinnati, Dayton, Akron, and Toledo. Ohio officially joined the Union on March 1, 1803. It's the 17th state carved from the Northwest Territory. Its nickname, the Buckeye State, comes from the Ohio buckeye tree, whose shiny brown nuts resemble the eye of a deer. Geography and borders. Ohio sits at the heart of the Midwest. To the north, it borders Michigan and Lake Erie. To the east lies Pennsylvania. To the south, the Ohio River separates it from West Virginia and Kentucky. And to the west, it neighbors Indiana. This geography gave Ohio a powerful advantage in both settlement and trade. Linking the Great Lakes with the interior of the nation, industry and economy, Ohio was once an industrial powerhouse, known for steel, rubber, and automotive production. While heavy industry remains part of its DNA, Ohio's economy has evolved. Today, it's a balance of manufacturing, services, healthcare, education, and technology. But the state never forgot its industrial roots, from Cleveland's steel legacy to Dayton's role in aviation. Ohio has been called the workshop of America. History and legacy. Ohio's story begins in the Northwest Territory, the first frontier of the young United States. It became a gateway for westward expansion and a symbol of democracy's growth. Politically, Ohio is remarkable. It's known as the mother of presidents, with 8 U.S. presidents born here, including Ulysses S. Grant, William McKinley, and William Howard Taft. Famous attractions. Ohio offers an impressive mix of cultural and natural attractions. Cuyahoga Valley National Park, a landscape of waterfalls, forests, and trails, with Brandywine Falls as its crown jewel. The Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in Cleveland, honoring the legends of modern music. Cedar Point in Sandusky, the roller coaster capital of the world, drawing thrill seekers from everywhere. The Cleveland Museum of Art, home to treasures spanning continents and centuries. And the Hopewell Ceremonial Earthworks, ancient monuments built by Native Americans more than 2,000 years ago, now recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. From its Native American heritage to its industrial heart. From its role in shaping presidents to shaping culture, Ohio is a state that truly reflects the American story. This has been episode 25, Ohio, the Buckeye State. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Inner Light World, where history and discovery meet.